Hey guys, in this video, we're comparing Fiverr, Guru, and Upwork, three of the most popular freelancing platforms, to help you decide which one might work best for you, whether you're a freelancer or someone looking to hire talent. Fiverr is known for its gig model, where freelancers create predefined service packages at fixed prices. It started with $5 services but now offers a wide range of pricing tiers. Fiverr is great if you need quick, specific tasks done, like designing a logo, editing a video, or writing copy. The platform is easy to use and buyers can instantly see reviews and package details. For freelancers, it's a good way to showcase niche services and get fast orders. But competition is high and Fiverr charges a 20% commission on each sale. Guru, on the other hand, is a smaller platform that focuses on building long-term working relationships. It offers flexible payment terms. You can set up hourly, milestone-based, task-based, or recurring payments. Guru also has a workroom feature for easier project management and communication. While it has fewer jobs posted compared to Fiverr and Upwork, it tends to attract clients looking for ongoing partnerships rather than just one-off gigs. Upwork is the largest and most versatile of the three. It offers everything from small one-time projects to long-term contracts, and even full-time remote roles. Upwork has a strong vetting and feedback system, which helps ensure trust between freelancers and clients. It supports both hourly and fixed-price contracts. However, it's highly competitive, and new freelancers may find it challenging to land their first jobs. Upwork charges a service fee that starts at 10% and can be as high as 20% for smaller contracts. So, which one is better? If you're a freelancer offering clear package services and want fast one-off jobs, Fiverr might be your best choice. If you value long-term relationships and flexibility in how you get paid, Guru is worth considering. Upwork is ideal if you want access to a wider range of clients and projects but are ready to invest time in building a strong profile and reputation. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your skills, goals, and how you like to work. Thanks for watching.